Okay, today we will show you about the rear diffuser for the Audi A7 C7.5. Modify the RS body kit, the rear diffuser. It's black, full black, glossy black. Show you the detail. It's good quality, and the tips in here, in here is good quality. Also, is good quality. Two tips. Okay, two tips. Yeah, and this part, not name. Also tips, pipes. Okay. RS style. RS7 style for A7. Okay, show you the another parts. Okay, like this one. We'll show you later to install the cars. Oh, the packing size. About the packing size, it's too long. So the shipping cost may be also expensive. Too long size for it. Okay. Okay, now we have removed the original car diffuser from the Audi A7 and install it. And the customers don't want to cut the pipe. Usually you need to cut the pipe in here, cut and install the tips. But the customers don't want to cut, so we just install it in here. It's okay. It's very perfect fitment to install. You can see, just replace it is okay. Show you the details. It is really simple to install. Yeah. 就好了。哎呀，好爽。啊？没有。For the A7, C7.5. This style, it's good. Look. So for safe, we use a screw to fix on the frame in here, instead of screw for it. Just for safe. Okay, you can see. It's for safe to fix up. Okay, install the screw to fix it. 你过去。完美吗？来，3号车。And the other sides also use the screw to fix it. And then install the original car screw for it at here. Also is the same of the original parts. Install it.
郭师傅，要不要？
Okay, install down the screw for it. A7 C7.5， 它这个是改了座椅的哈，对吧 ？RS seat have changed with the set home like this and this. Oh, but this car not have the leg trace. You also can choose the leg trace for it. Steering wheels. And 后面 and the rear. Okay, the rear also reserved the horns. Audi A7 C7.5 change the RS style rear diffuser. Let's show you. Good quality, perfect fitment. A7 C7.5.